Telling you the secret. This is a fast land pack filling machine. It can up to 120 bottles per minute. It can filling for different shampoos, lotions, and with 8-head tracking filling with a CIP cleaning system. Let's see how it's working. Many bosses feel very worried about if they want filling one kind and need to filling another kind of liquid, how to do it. Our land pack machine can help you to do it. So you can say this have the 8-head. You can choose for 4-head filling A. You can also check the filling head, another 4-head, choose filling for the B. So can solve your 2 different filling materials problems. So choose us. Let's see how it's running. Your first impression of our 8-head tracking filling machine. It is very simple. No. Let's see very clearly. So you can see the storage tank. It is separately and it is double jacket and can keep your product at warm temperature and with the stirring device inside it to mixing your products very well. And what the most important, it is have the built-in CIP cleaning system. It is auto cleaning system. So land pack saving your time and increasing your production efficiently. % of our machine it is customized. So when the first new machine comes, I will share to you. So remember to follow us. Thank you.